this is the box right here, guys, and this is a really special lens actually, f2.8 60mm. I'm really happy about it. It's considered one of the best lenses for micro thirds. I mean, especially for the Lumix G7. It gives a really good bokeh effect, and yeah, overall it's really good. I'll show you the box around, guys, how the box looks. So this is the box. It's really good box. I'm really happy the box is in really good condition, especially considering it's a second-hand one. The seller kept the box really nice and everything. So this is the overall box, guys. Around, as you can see, it says Sigma branding everywhere. 60mm f2.8 DN art. That's from their art series. Sigma is really known for the lenses. Like, they make some really good lenses. So yep, let's get this unboxed. I mean, it's already unsealed, but yeah, let's open it and see what comes inside. So yeah, the seller did a really good job at packaging. I mean, he put some S-shape foam, I believe, foam for the protection of the lens. I mean, I don't know how well they protected it, but yeah, it's really good to see that he packed it really well. So let's get this out, and I do believe that's the lens right there, guys. And we got some Cheetos looking foam as well. Who doesn't like Cheetos? But yeah, these are the Cheetos. Yeah, feel very good. So yeah, let's get this unboxed, guys. It's a bubble wrap here, and I'm just gonna roll out the lens right here. And that's the lens right here, guys. Looks really nice. I mean, in all of its glory. Let me try and focus it. Let me see if I could focus. Yep, that's the Sigma lens right here, guys. 60mm micro art series from Sigma. Really nice looking lens, guys, made up of all metal, and I'm really happy that it has both of the lens caps, and it also comes with a lens hood. So yeah, that's a really good add to it. I mean, yep, it's gonna help a lot with the light and stuff. So this is the lens, guys. Let me take the lens hood off and show you guys. Just right there. Really tiny lens. I mean, not too tiny, but yeah, it is tiny. Not as tiny as my 14-42 Lumix prime lens, but yeah, this is like really well made, guys, and it feels a bit heavy. And this is the mount right here, guys. As you can see, made up of metal as well. Silver shines all through, and yep. So yep, I'm really happy I got this lens, guys, and I'll be including some stills hopefully, and maybe video in this video that I take using this lens. So I'll show you how well it takes. Also, this whole thing you see, guys, it's the focus ring. Like, it's really huge. As you can see, the whole black shiny thing, it's the focus ring. Normally they are really small, but this lens is built different, and it's really smooth. So I'm not sure how well it's gonna, like, if it's gonna disturb any of my photography. Like, imagine I touch the ring by mistake and it just slides off. But yeah, I'm gonna play some b-roll for you guys. So hey guys, that was a small unboxing and look at the Sigma 60mm f2.8. It's worth getting it, guys. It's really good lens, and I'll see you in the next one, I believe. Peace out.